Samsung is developing a new set of flagship tablets, the Galaxy Tab S11 series. Galaxy Tab S11, S11 Ultra, and S10 Lite get certified in Korea. Live images ensue. On X, a popular tipster, Evan Blass, has posted a high-quality render of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. It shows the device from the front and the back, which reveals many interesting details. Starting from the front, it seems to have a U-shaped notch for the front camera, which is significantly smaller than the one on its predecessor, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. It has thin bezels around the display. The image also shows an S-Pen, confirming that it will support the stylus. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra has two cameras, just like the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. However, the cameras have much bigger rings now compared to before, and the new ones look similar to those on the Galaxy S25 series. The brand suggested that it will launch the Galaxy Tab S11 in September 2025. With only 2 months to go, we should get more leaks about the two devices, revealing their remaining details. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.